Second main category I have is selling physical products online.
And that's your specialty.
Yeah, that's what I do, and it's what a lot of freaking people do. So the first realm of that I'll talk about is the Amazon FBA method / wholesaling / private labeling. And this is where you buy physical products wholesale in bulk, usually from Alibaba.com / China, and you private label it with your own brand, which means they put your own logo on the product and or packaging, maybe do some slight minor customizations to the product, and import those products, the boxes of products, to the Amazon FBA, aka fulfillment by Amazon warehouses, where they automatically are listed on Amazon.com and sell very relatively passively. And like you've seen from my videos, that's our main income. And this does require an upfront investment of at least a few thousand US.
If people want a number.
Yeah, realistically, you're gonna have to have 3,000 US that you can put aside and not expect to see any return for 6 months to a year. So this is aside from your living expense, okay? This is totally to the side.
And if people are living in Southeast Asia, if people want to just jump in and start doing that, what do you think is a reasonable number for monthly spending?
You can live on $1,000 a month in Chiang Mai, Thailand.
You can live there for pretty well for 1,000.
Yeah, so, but you can also live as little as 600. I know a lot of people, they got started at 600 a month. I have another video on cost of living in Chiang Mai and other cities in Southeast Asia like Bangkok and Saigon. You can check in the description. So with the Amazon FBA method, ideally a big part of this is you're building your own brands of products like Mitchell's Awesome Products that you can potentially sell a few years down the road for a big lump sum, just like any cash flow business.
Right.
Another physical product method is drop shipping. So this is when you're marketing a product on your own social media / own website and getting customers to pay for it first, and then ordering them yourself one by one and delivering them to the customers. Drop shipping from AliExpress.com is very popular right now, while getting traffic from Facebook / Instagram to do that. Obviously, you're buying cheap and selling for more with selling physical products. This ideally requires some online marketing experience beforehand, because that's all it is really. It's just online marketing.
And it's a decent amount of web traffic, no matter how you get it.
Yeah, so, exactly. You have to know how to get traffic.
A blog, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, any of those things are ways that you can go ahead and get started in that. More importantly, is it doesn't cost you anything up front to create web traffic.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't cost you anything up front to do. So this is a less upfront investment than the buying in bulk for cheap and flipping, aka flipping bricks, I like to say. Flipping bricks cocaine like Young Jeezy, except it's legal. Okay, so but that's all it is. This is just online marketing, getting targeted eyeballs to see something that they might be interested in. While the other side of the coin with the FBA, what I do is all your traffic is within the Amazon site, so I don't do any online outside marketing, social media marketing at all personally for my Amazon products. It's all within Amazon searches. That's where we get 100% of our sales from. It's just people that are searching for what our products are and they buy them. An example of a digital product is making your own instructional course on something that you can teach, something that your audience or people in your life ask you for a lot.
Yeah.
Because it's all supply and demand. Make your own instructional course on how to do that. And a quick